How can header cells in Excel be pinned or frozen? How can you pin or freeze cells in the top row and or leftmost column of an MS Excel sheet so that they always remain visible regardless of scrolling?
If this is Excel 2007, you are looking for Freeze Pin under the View tab. If you want to know how to use it, open Excel Help and look for Freeze. The first result should be a detailed explanation on how to use the feature.
There's also a little bar on the bottom of the screen that you can drag for a vertical split.
Here's mate for Bahamat's answer, and there's a corresponding vertical bar at the bottom right corner of the screen that works the same way for isolating columns. A bar can also appear to the left of the horizontal scroll bar as well, but this one doesn't do splitting. Instead, it is used for resizing the horizontal scroll bar.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.